Let's talk about something you use every day: plastic. It's so ubiquitous we often take it for granted. But have you ever stopped to consider the journey each plastic item takes before it ends up in your hands? Look around. Your phone case, protecting your device from the bumps and scrapes of daily life; water bottle, keeping you hydrated on the go; car dashboard, providing a safe and functional environment as you drive; even your keyboard, the tool you use to connect with the world, all made possible by powerful machines in factories, humming away day and night. These aren't your average machines, they're sophisticated pieces of engineering. But those machines need a master, someone who understands their intricacies and can coax them into creating the products we need. That master is the plastics manufacturing machine setter. They are the unsung heroes behind our plastic world. Think of the setter as the director of a high-stakes, high-tech production. They orchestrate the entire process, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. They bridge the gap between a blueprint, a technical drawing filled with precise measurements and specifications, and thousands of perfect products rolling off the line, ready to be used in countless applications. It's a job for hands-on problem solvers, individuals who thrive on challenges and aren't afraid to get their hands dirty. It requires mechanical skill and technical know-how, a blend of practical ability and theoretical understanding. Without setters, production would grind to a halt, factories would fall silent, and the flow of essential plastic components would cease. Machines would waste material, churning out bad parts, or even break down, leading to costly repairs and delays. Setters are the guardians of quality, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of precision and durability. They are the unsung heroes behind the plastic items we rely on, the silent force that keeps our modern world running smoothly. Today, we'll dive into their world, exploring the challenges they face and the skills they need to succeed. We'll see them installing massive molds, the heart of the plastic manufacturing process, to programming machines with precision, fine-tuning every parameter to achieve the desired result. We'll break down their daily tasks, from routine maintenance to complex troubleshooting, the science and the art of the profession, revealing the secrets behind their expertise. This isn't just button pushing. It's about understanding the intricate dance of mechanics, materials, and technology. It's about making a complex system work flawlessly, ensuring that every component functions in perfect harmony. If you love building things and solving puzzles, if you're fascinated by how things work, you'll want to see what it takes to become one of these essential figures in modern manufacturing. Let's get started and uncover the world of the plastics manufacturing machine setter. The job starts with installing the mold, the heart of the operation. These heavy, precision-engineered steel blocks form the shape of every plastic part. Setters coordinate with a team and cranes to move and align these massive molds safely. Every step is deliberate. A mistake could mean disaster for people or equipment. Once in place, the mold is bolted down and secured to withstand immense clamping force. Next, the setter connects water lines for cooling, hydraulics for moving parts, and electrical sensors. Each connection is vital for the mold to function perfectly. Removing a mold is the same process in reverse, demanding equal care. This hands-on work combines strength with precision. A flawless mold change is the foundation for everything that follows. Get it wrong, and nothing else matters. It's the ultimate test of a setter's skill and commitment. With the mold meticulously prepared and ready to go, it's time to focus on the lifeblood of the process, the plastic itself. The selection and preparation of this raw material are paramount to achieving the desired outcome. The machine setters, with their expert eyes, play a crucial role. They meticulously ensure that the correct type of raw material is not only selected but also that the precise amount is prepared for each production run. This involves a careful assessment of material specifications, ensuring they align perfectly with the product requirements. Once verified, these plastic pellets, the tiny building blocks of our final product, are carefully loaded into the injection molding machine's hopper, ready to be transformed. To streamline this process and maintain cleanliness, they often use sophisticated vacuum systems. These systems efficiently move the pellets from their storage containers directly to the machine's hopper, minimizing manual handling and the risk of contamination. Maintaining a pristine environment is non-negotiable. Every surface, every piece of equipment is kept meticulously clean to avoid any form of contamination that could compromise the integrity of the final product. The properties of many plastics make them susceptible to absorbing moisture from the air. This moisture can be detrimental to the molding process, so drying becomes a crucial step in material preparation. If wet pellets are used, the resulting parts can be riddled with defects, compromising their strength, appearance, and overall functionality. To combat this, setters meticulously program industrial dryers to remove any trace of moisture from the plastic pellets, ensuring optimal material conditions and guaranteeing the highest possible quality in the finished product. But their responsibilities don't end there. They also play a vital role in managing recycling efforts. Scrap plastic generated during the molding process is carefully collected, ground up into reusable granules, and then mixed in with virgin material. This reduces waste and minimizes environmental impact. This closed-loop recycling process not only saves on material costs, but also strongly supports the company's commitment to sustainability and environmentally responsible manufacturing practices. Therefore, material handling is far more than just a simple task of loading pellets into a machine. It's a carefully orchestrated process that demands precision, efficiency, and a deep understanding of material properties. Every single step in this material handling process, from initial selection to final preparation, has a direct and significant impact on the quality, consistency, and overall performance of the final product. To ensure success, setters must possess an intimate knowledge of the materials they are working with, as well as a comprehensive understanding of the equipment they are operating. It's a smart, efficient, and environmentally conscious part of the job, requiring a blend of technical expertise and a commitment to best practices. Ultimately, selecting the right material and handling it in the right way sets the stage for a successful production run, ensuring high-quality output and minimizing waste. Now, let's delve into the heart of the injection molding process: the machine's control system. This is the brain of the operation, the central nervous system that dictates every movement, temperature, and pressure within the machine. It's where precision meets automation, starting up and programming the machine. The startup sequence is a carefully orchestrated dance of power and calibration. Setters follow a strict checklist, a comprehensive guide that ensures no critical step is overlooked. This meticulous approach is the foundation of safe and efficient operation. Safety gates closed, a non-negotiable prerequisite before any cycle begins. These gates are the first line of defense, protecting operators from the immense forces at play within the machine. Emergency stops ready, instantly halting all operations in case of any anomaly. These are strategically placed, easily accessible, and regularly tested, and the machine's barrel heated to the perfect temperature. This precise temperature control is crucial for melting the plastic resin evenly, ensuring consistent flow and preventing degradation. They program dozens of parameters, each one a variable in the complex equation of injection molding. Injection speed, dictating how quickly the molten plastic fills the mold cavity. Pressure, the force behind the injection, ensuring the plastic reaches every corner of the mold. Shot size, the precise amount of plastic injected into the mold with each cycle. Cooling time, the duration the part remains in the mold to solidify, a critical factor in preventing warping and ensuring dimensional accuracy. And clamp force. This immense force holds the mold halves together against the pressure of the injected plastic. Each setting is critical, a delicate balance that determines the quality and consistency of the final product. Get them wrong, and you get scrap, not parts, waste material, and lost time. The first few cycles are slow and careful, a cautious approach to validate the program parameters. Purging old material, ensuring no contaminants or remnants from previous runs compromise the new parts, and checking the first parts for defects. A rigorous inspection process to catch any imperfections early on. Setters analyze issues, meticulously examining each part for visual flaws, dimensional inaccuracies, or structural weaknesses. Tweak settings, making minute adjustments to the machine's parameters to optimize the process, and dial in the process until every part is perfect, achieving consistent quality and minimizing waste. At Shutdown, they purge the machine, removing any remaining plastic from the barrel and nozzle. Clean it, preventing material buildup and ensuring optimal performance for the next run, and power down safely, following a prescribed sequence to avoid damage to the machine's components. Proper shutdown prevents damage, extending the lifespan of the machine and minimizing costly repairs, and makes the next startup smoother, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. Programming and process control are where a setter's expertise shines. It's the culmination of training, experience, and a deep understanding of the machine's capabilities. It's a blend of science, experience, and intuition, knowing when to trust the data and when to rely on gut feeling. Every adjustment matters. Each tweak can have a ripple effect, impacting the entire process. The goal, a stable, efficient process and flawless parts. A testament to the setter's skill and dedication. That's the setter's craft. A demanding but rewarding profession that plays a vital role in modern manufacturing. Once the machine is running, the setter becomes a vigilant monitor. They listen for odd noises and watch for any sign of trouble. Regular quality checks are essential. Every part is inspected for defects and measured for accuracy. If something's off, the setter diagnoses the root cause and adjusts the machine settings. Every tweak is calculated. Changing one parameter can affect others. It's a delicate balance. Fixing one issue can create another. The setter's deep process knowledge is key to keeping everything on track. Monitoring, analyzing, and fine-tuning never stop. The goal: maximum output, 0 defects. Quality is always in the setter's hands. High-performance machines need regular care. Setters perform daily checks, looking for leaks, topping up fluids, and testing safety features. Small issues caught early prevent big, costly breakdowns. Weekly or monthly, they clean filters, grease moving parts, and keep everything running smoothly. Maintenance isn't just about uptime, it's about safety for everyone on the floor. This proactive approach saves time and money. Setters take ownership of their machines, knowing every quirk and need. Planned maintenance beats emergency repairs every time. A great setter is a machine's best friend and guardian. Their attention keeps the factory running strong. Even with the best care, machines sometimes break down. When that happens, the setter is the first responder, diagnosing the problem and calling in the maintenance team. Their clear, detailed explanation speeds up repairs and minimizes downtime. Setters often assist technicians, learning from every fix. This teamwork is crucial. The setter knows the process, the technician knows the repairs. Together, they get the machine back online quickly and safely. Good communication and collaboration make the whole operation stronger. Every repair is a chance to improve. Setters help build a culture of continuous improvement. Sometimes the job is about innovation, testing new molds or materials. Setters become R&D technicians, running initial trials for new products. They install new molds, set conservative parameters, and carefully document every result. The goal: find the process window where the new part is made perfectly, every time. They experiment, change one variable at a time, and work closely with engineers and quality teams. Testing new materials means learning how they behave: melting, flowing, shrinking. This work is slow, methodical, and essential for progress. Setters help companies create stronger, lighter, or greener products. It's a chance to push boundaries and solve new puzzles. Innovation starts with the setter's expertise. The plastics manufacturing machine setter is the linchpin of production. They're problem solvers, quality guardians, and masters of complex machinery. Their skills span mechanics, programming, troubleshooting, and innovation. Every perfect plastic part owes its existence to their expertise. Setters ensure quality, efficiency, and reliability on the factory floor. Without them, manufacturing would be chaotic and wasteful. For builders and puzzle solvers, it's a rewarding, dynamic career. Setters turn raw plastic into the products we use every day. They don't just run machines, they master them.